Friends, today I'm going to talk about Best Travel Credit Cards 2025. I'm going to cover all categories, that is from lifetime free travel credit cards to premium luxury travel credit cards. So obviously in today's video I'm going to cover best credit cards for lounge access. But you know what? Travel credit cards are not only limited to free airport lounge access. In fact, travel credit cards offer a range of benefits like heavy discounts on flights and hotels, very low or zero foreign markup fee on international spends, travel insurance protection, and some of the best travel credit cards offer free flights and free hotels also. Yes. So let's dig into details so that you can decide which one is the best travel credit card for you. Number 1, Scapia credit card. इस कार्ड का बैंकिंग पार्टनर है फेडरल बैंक. It is one of the best travel credit cards. Why? Because it's lifetime free credit card. It provides unlimited free airport lounge access, zero forex markup fee, and provides great rewards on travel expenditure. Let's look at its reward structure. On every 100 rupees spent on online and offline, you earn 10 Scapia points, where 1 Scapia point is equal to 0.2 rupees, which means you are getting a value back of 2%. But wait, since it's a travel credit card, the benefits on travel related expenditures is more. So if you spend on travel bookings, then you get 20 Scapia points on every 100 rupees spent, which means here you are getting a value back of 4%, which is very good for a lifetime free credit card. Now, you can use these reward points on the Scapia app and book yourself a free flight or hotel or visa. In fact, if you would compare the prices of hotels and flights on Scapia app and other websites, you would see many times the prices are lower in case of Scapia app. Next, this is one of the best credit cards for lounge access as it provides unlimited free domestic airport lounge access. You just have to make sure that you spend at least 10,000 rupees every month. Another thing why this is one of the best travel credit card is that it offers zero forex markup fee. Most credit cards charge 3.5% forex markup fee, but this card is charging you zero, which means you don't have to pay anything extra if you spend internationally using this card. You can get this card in Visa or RuPay variant also. So if you take the RuPay variant of Scapia credit card, then you can earn on UPI spends also, getting a value back of 1% for all transactions above 500 rupees. Plus, on Scapia card, you can even convert your flight tickets to no cost EMI. Plus, it also offers 1% fuel surcharge waiver. So overall, I can say that it is one of the best credit card for travel and lounge access. You can apply this card using the direct link given in the description box or pinned comment. It will help you for easy application and fast approval process. Do check it out. Now friends, we saw some great travel benefits on Scapia credit card. But what if you only want free airport lounge access and you do not want any minimum spending limit so that you can avail those free airport lounge access? Unlike Scapia, where you had to spend at least 10,000 rupees in a month. In that case, you can check out the next travel credit card, that is IndusInd Bank Tiger credit card. This is also a lifetime free credit card and another best credit card for lounge access. Let's first look at non-spend benefits. So this card offers 8 complimentary domestic airport lounge access in a year without any minimum spend requirement. Plus, it is also good for international travels because it offers 2 complimentary airport lounge access also per year, and its forex markup fee is also very competitive, only 1.5% on international spends. Apart from this card also offers 1 free movie ticket up to 500 rupees on Book My Show every 6 months and 4 complimentary golf game or lessons per year, and these lessons are worth 4,000 rupees each. So the non-spend benefits were great. Let's look at the spend-based benefits. So here you get the rewards in slab base. So up to 1 lakh rupees spends, for every 100 rupees spent you get 1 reward point. For spends over 1 lakh to 2.5 lakhs you get 2 reward points, and so on. Now these reward points, if you redeem it for cash credit, for 1 reward point you will get the value of 40 paise, and if you redeem it for air miles you will get 1 reward point is equal to 1.2 miles. So clearly, converting it into miles is more beneficial. For all the cards I'm discussing today, please do have a look at the exclusions on which rewards are not provided. Apart from this, you also get 1% fuel surcharge waiver. On the screen, you can pause and have a look that how you can use this card and save up to 38,000 rupees also using this lifetime free credit card. I've given the direct link in the description box to apply this card also. Do check it out. Now friends, up till now in the video, I have talked about best lifetime free credit cards for travel. But now let's move on to premium travel credit cards that offer luxury travel benefits where you can avail free flights or free hotel tickets in 5 stars as well. Axis Atlas credit card. This card is actually one of the best travel credit cards because अक्सर जो सुनने में आता है कि मैं बाली घुमाया, दुबई घुमाया फ्री में, that is possible using this card. I will show you how in a moment. Let's first see the other details. Like the joining and renewal fee of this card is 5,000 rupees plus taxes and जो renewal fee है वो waive off करने का कोई तरीका नहीं है. But in welcome benefits, if you do one transaction within first 30 days, then you get 2,500 edge miles, which is equal to 9,000 worth of Accor points. And you can use these Accor points at Accor hotels and book your stays at hotels like Ibis, Novotel, Fairmont, etc. You also get renewal benefit, which are based on tires. Basically, when your spending is up to 7.5 lakhs, you are in silver tire. When you exceed 7.5 lakh spending, you are upgraded to gold tire, where if you exceed 15 lakh spending, then you are further upgraded to platinum tire. Now at the time of renewal, if you are in the silver tire, then you are not given any renewal benefit, but if you are in the gold tire, you get 2,500 edge miles, and if you are in platinum tire, then you get 5,000 edge miles. The airport lounge access is also tire based. So in the beginning, when you are in the silver tire, you get 8 complimentary domestic and 4 international airport lounge access, which are good enough. You also get up to ₹800 discount on partner restaurants via Easy Diner Pay app on minimum order of 2,000 rupees. Now let's try to find out how you can get yourself free flights or hotels. So in Axis Atlas credit card, you earn 5 edge miles for every 100 rupees spent on all travel purchases. ध्यान रहे, if you want 5 edge miles, then you will have to book from Axis Travel Edge portal or directly from airline websites. And apart from these travel purchases, on all other qualified purchases, you get 2 edge miles for every 100 rupees spent. अब एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. मान लीजिए आपने 5 लाख रुपए स्पेंड किए using this card. In that case, you will be able to earn around 21,000 edge miles. And on partner airline and hotels, 1 edge mile is equal to 2 air miles or points, which means आपका 21,000 edge miles 42,000 air miles में convert हो जाएगा if you book flights or hotels using their partners like SpiceJet, AirAsia, Air India, Club Vistara, etc. मतलब आप आसानी से holidays like Thailand, Bali, इनके flight tickets book कर सकते हैं to and fro for free. So if you use this card strategically, then you can actually get a great deal of travel benefits. So if you want this card, you can check out your eligibility from the screen and apply the card directly from the link given in the description box or pinned comment. Now friends, there are some best credit card in India like HDFC Infinia credit card, Amex credit card, which provide one of the best travel benefits also. But I have not included these two in today's video because the first one requires very high income and is also an invite only card, and in case of the second one, the approval rate is extremely bad. So even in premium travel credit cards, I have tried to include the ones which requires a reasonable income and has good approval rate. So let's move on to our next best travel credit card, which is Marriott Bonvoy HDFC credit card. The joining and renewal fee of this card is 3,000 plus taxes, and there is no criteria to waive off renewal fee, but welcome benefit में आपको Marriott के 5-star hotel chains में एक free night stay मिल जाता है. Yes, every time you pay the joining or renewal fee, you will get 1 free night stay at Marriott globally, and यहाँ आप ऐसा रूम बुक कर सकते हैं जो 15,000 Marriott Bonvoy points में मिल जाए. So every year you can enjoy 1 free night stay, which is amazing. In welcome benefit, you also get complimentary Marriott Bonvoy Silver Elite status. इससे जब आप Marriott पर spend करते हैं तब आपको कुछ bonus points मिल जाते हैं. Plus you get other benefits like priority late checkout, etc. Next, Here you get 12 complimentary domestic airport lounge access and 12 complimentary international airport lounge access per year, which is amazing. Plus you get complimentary gold access 2 per quarter across the world. इसके spend based rewards भी सही है. So you get 8 Marriott Bonvoy points on every 150 rupees spent on dining, spa, stay at hotels participating in Marriott Bonvoy. Next you earn 4 Marriott Bonvoy points on every 150 rupees spent on travel, dining or entertainment, and on spends on grocery stores you earn 2 Marriott Bonvoy points for every 150 rupees spent. Milestone benefits भी है. 6 लाख खर्च करने पर आपको 1 नाइट स्टे फ्री मिलेगा, फिर 9 लाख पर फिर से एक और स्टे फ्री मिलेगा एंड 15 लाख पर फिर से एक और स्टे फ्री मिलेगा. सो ओवरऑल आई कैन से इट्स अ गुड ट्रैवल क्रेडिट कार्ड, इट्स अ गुड एयरपोर्ट लाउंज एक्सेस क्रेडिट कार्ड. एंड अगर स्पेशली आप मेरियट में काफी ज्यादा जाते हैं या जाना चाहते हैं देन यू कैन टेक द मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट. फाइनली आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू डिस्कस अनदर ट्रैवल क्रेडिट कार्ड. इट इज HSBC ट्रैवल वन क्रेडिट कार्ड. इसका ज्वाइनिंग एंड रिन्यूअल फी भी 499 प्लस GST है एंड यहाँ पर आप रिन्यूअल फी वेव ऑफ कर सकते हैं अगर आपने 8 लाख रुपए खर्च किया इन 1 ईयर. हियर ऑन स्पेंडिंग 10,000 rupees within the first 30 days you get 1,000 rupees cash back, 3,000 rupees postcard voucher, 3 months easy diner prime free, and in the first 90 days if you spend 1 lakh rupees you also earn bonus 3,000 points. ये कार्ड प्रोवाइड करता है 6 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री डोमेस्टिक एंड 4 इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट लाउंज एक्सेस and you do not need to make any minimum spending to avail these free airport lounge access. It is a travel credit card, still its forex markup fee is like any other normal card 3.5%, which is quite high. But the highlight of this card I would say are the discounts it offers. See, this card provides you 15% off at Yatra, Ease My Trip, Paytm, Clear Trip, 11% off at Stay Vista, 10% off at Zomato and 20% off on duty free. Apart from this, you also get 4 complimentary golf rounds and 12 complimentary golf lessons per year, which is also very good. Spend based benefits की बात करें तो here you earn 4 reward points per 100 rupees spent on flights, travel aggregators and forex spends and 2 reward points per 100 rupees on all other spends. अगर आपने साल में 12 लाख से ऊपर स्पेंड कर दिया तो आपको माइलस्टोन बेनिफिट भी मिलता है जहाँ पे you can earn 10,000 bonus points. Now इन पॉइंट्स की क्या वैल्यू है एंड कैसे रिडीम करें? तो फ्रेंड्स यू कैन रिडीम दीज पॉइंट्स फॉर फ्लाइट बुकिंग्स, होटल बुकिंग्स. लाइक कुछ एयरलाइंस पे आपको काफी अच्छा कन्वर्जन रेट मिल जाता है. लाइक एयर एशिया में 1 पॉइंट जो आपने अर्न किया उसके लिए आपको 3 पॉइंट्स के बेनिफिट मिल जाएंगे. एंड कुछ होटल्स लाइक शंग्रीला पर आपको 1:5 का भी कन्वर्जन रेशो देखने को मिलेगा, विच इज वेरी गुड. सो फ्रेंड्स येस, आपको इसकी ज्वाइनिंग फी एटलस एक्सिस क्रेडिट कार्ड के बराबर नजर आ रही होगी एंड कंपेयर टू दैट आपको यहाँ पे रिवॉर्ड्स कम नजर आ रहे होंगे. बट फ्रेंड्स आपने देखा कि कुछ सिलेक्टिव फ्लाइट्स एंड होटल बुकिंग्स पर आपको अच्छा कन्वर्जन रेट मिल रहा है. प्लस जो हमने डिस्काउंट्स देखे बड़े ब्रांड्स पर, वहां पर आपको काफी अच्छा सेविंग्स मिल सकता है. सो फ्रेंड्स आई हैव ट्राइड टू शेयर सम ऑफ द बेस्ट ट्रैवल क्रेडिट कार्ड्स 2025. I hope this will help you to find the one that suits your needs. So if you want to apply any of these cards, then for easy application and quicker approval process, you can apply the cards from the links given in the description box or pinned comment. Thanks for watching till the end.